Techtion has successfully concluded its participation in FINETECH Japan 2025. The event was a great success, showcasing Techtion's vision and innovation in smart transportation displays. At this exhibition, Techtion focused on the theme of low power, low maintenance, low cost. The booth attracted many visitors from Japan and abroad. Thanks to all customers, partners, and industry professionals for their interest and insightful conversations, which brought new ideas and inspiration for future smart transportation projects. Techtion will continue to explore low power, low maintenance, and cost-effective display solutions to support the sustainable development of smart transportation worldwide.